Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to MarineMax here in Cumming, Georgia. Today we're going to do a brief walkthrough of our 2020 Crest Classic 220 fish pontoon with 4 fishing chairs. Starting up here in the bow, you've got 2 fighting chairs with cup holders and rod holders, as well as there is a power port for a trolling motor if you wish to install one. Big, huge port side lounger, storage up underneath. Another big one on the starboard side. And this boat does have a live well here at the end of the lounger. Back here in the stern, you've got 2 more fighting chairs. You have rod storage, cup holders, .150 horsepower Mercury engine. You can get the optional tow bar if you wanted to have that as well. Stainless steel ladder, storage bin, and then here at the helm, gauges, Bluetooth stereo, Lowrance GPS fish finder, and a Captain's Cool cup holder actually keeps your drink cold. Large bimini overhead for shade. Everything you need to be able to enjoy a full day of activity on the water. If you'd like to see this boat or learn more about it, just give us a call here at MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia, 770-781-9370. Thank you.